In this video, we shall be studying about the quaternary structure of proteins, how these structures are formed, and this is the final structure in the hierarchy of proteins. So, what is a quaternary structure? It is a combination of two or more tertiary units. It is stabilized by the same interactions found in the tertiary structure. Now, by considering the example of hemoglobin, we can easily understand it. Of hemoglobin consists of two alpha chains. Remember this. It consists of two alpha chains and two beta chains. The heme group in each subunit picks up oxygen for transport into the blood and from blood to the tissues. So this is the quaternary structures. It's simple yet complex. Simple because each subunit is occurring, or we can say is existing as a individual tertiary unit, and these tertiary units when combined together they tend to form a more complex structure known as quaternary structures. Now just see here, the two yellow units are representing say alpha units, and two green units are just representing the beta units. They are stacked over each other to form a more complex molecule known as hemoglobin. The quaternary level defines the arrangement and position of each subunit in an intact protein molecule. Hemoglobin is made up of two alpha type subunits and two beta subunits, also represented sometimes as alpha 2 and beta 2. And in a two-dimensional structure, we can say they are represented like this. If these green circles are representing two alpha units, then these pink circles will be representing two beta subunits. So this is the structure of hemoglobin. I hope the quaternary structure is clear to you all. It's simple. Keep practicing and learning these concepts. And by this we finish the structure of proteins. It is divided into four types: primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. The primary structure is consisting of polypeptide chains. The secondary structure will be consisting of alpha helix, beta sheets and a triple helix. Whereas tertiary structure consists of a three-dimensional structure including various forces of interaction, in which forces of interaction play an important role in twisting of the polypeptide chain. And at last comes the quaternary structure, consists of subunits that are linked together to form more complex molecules. So I hope students it's clear to you all now how the structure of proteins are made up of, how do they look. I hope you learned them correctly and keep practicing them.